Okay, so we've got these single bracket expressions, and we're going to show how we can multiply into these brackets and the technique for doing so. So when we have a term outside this bracket, that means we're multiplying this by what's inside the bracket. But how do we do this when we can't combine this expression? So x plus 4, we just have to leave it as x plus 4. So how do we write this? Well, the rules of BIDMAS, this addition happens first, then the multiplication. And the way we can do that algebraically is just by multiplying this by each term in the bracket and then adding them together. So this one becomes 3x plus 3 times 4, which is 12. Okay, and here we can do exactly the same thing. So we multiply this first one, then the second one. The first term is 7x, because it's 7x times 1. And then 4 times 7 is 28, so it's plus 28xy. Okay, and that's a terribly drawn x, but it will do. Now here, first we multiply 4xy by x, so that's 4x squared y. And then we do 4xy multiplied by 3y, so that's plus 12, that's the 3 times 4, x y squared. Okay, lovely. Next up, now we've got 3 terms in the brackets, doesn't matter, we just still do multiplication one at a time, so we get 3x plus 5yx, and this one as well, plus 3xz. Nice and simple. This one just again showing that it doesn't matter if we change the letters, the rules are still the same. So here we get 28zm, and here we get 21zn. On this next one we get m times n plus m times p. Okay, nice and simple. Here we get a times p plus 3aq plus AR, and the last one for this video we get 3RS plus 2PQS plus S squared. Last thing I wanted to note is that this one and any one where there's letters, for example this here, this could be written as 3QA, it doesn't matter. This one could be RA, this one could be SR, and that's because when you multiply two numbers together, it doesn't matter which order you do the multiplication. So for example, 3 times 5 is equal to 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Okay, so it doesn't matter about the order. So you can feel free to swap them in whichever way you think is neater, but it's up to you. You can do what you want. You can even, if you like, do weird things like write x28y, but we tend to write the numbers first and then the letters, just for clarity. Okay, but this wouldn't be incorrect per se. So thank you for watching this video. If you did find it useful, please be sure to like the video, because any support on the channel is much appreciated, and I hope to see you in the next one.